My name is Moses Sali, a physics and mathematics teacher. I'm here to interview Mr. Chibidige about the farm, Gaza High School Farm.
You are welcome to Gaza High School Farm. My name is Brian Chibidige. I'm the farm manager. This farm was started in 1955 by Sir Joseph Hutchinson, and the reason why this farm was started was to educate the girls in practical agriculture, and then also preparation of food to make sure that their children can eat a balanced diet. But over the years we have transformed it into an educational center, but then also a business that makes money for the school. At the farm we look after crops and animals, so it is a mixed farm. So this farm is for two main reasons. We have the education part and then the business part. In the education part, we train the girls from senior 1 to senior 6 in different enterprises on the farm, and some projects bring in money, so they make the girls earn money, yet others are just for the girls to learn from. But then as a business, we have enterprises that the farm looks after, and then we sell to make money for the school. The cows are the biggest earners of the farm. We get milk from them, which we sell to the school and to the community to make money for the farm. So we need them to be producing every year. Each cow should be producing every year so that they can be very productive. So away from that, we use artificial insemination to get our cows produce. Yes. Here we have two pregnant cows among the three, but I want us to focus on the middle one. This one, Cow Regius. Cow Regius has been on the farm since 2014, and it has given birth 4 times. In those 4 times, Cow Regius has given birth to 2 females and 2 male cows. The last one it gave birth was in 2019, or in September it gave birth to male cows.
That is 2019. 2019?
Yes.
That was male.
It gave birth to a male. Then in 2018 it gave birth to a female. In 2017 it gave birth to a male. In 2016 gave birth to a female. So that is Cow Regius.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Chibidige. So you say that in 2016 it gave birth to a female,
Yes.
2017 a male,
Yes, that's right.
2018 a female, and 2019 a female.
A male.
And 2019 a male.
Yes.
So my question is, what is your expectation of the sex this year, 2020?
As any good farmer, I am always expecting a female cow, and yeah, I expect Regius to give me a female cow, but that is depending on God. So I have to keep praying that what is inside there is a female cow. And looking at how it has been giving birth, female, male, female, male. The last calf was a male. So this year I expect a female.
So your expectation is a female?
Yes.
What is the possibility of the otherwise?
It's always 50-50.
50-50?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So that means the probability of having a female is 1
Yes.
out of 2,
Yes.
which is 50-50. Thank you so much. Is there a way, do these records impact on the decision of the farmer or the buyer? given this history, like in 2017 it was a male followed by female, male, female. So if someone came and asked for these records, could they impact on their decision of either buying or not buying, or you, if you want to get rid of any of the animals on the farm, which one would you readily get rid of given the history records of the cow?
The records help in decision making on a farm because if, for example, I have a cow that always produces females, it would be the last sold cow from the farm. Yet the farmer, if for example I was interacting with a farmer, they would buy its heifers, its young ones, because they know that the mother was producing females only. So it helps in making decisions. I can't sell a cow that only produces females, but then a farmer can easily buy a heifer that is produced by a cow that always produces females. The other thing is, if you have a cow that is always producing males, you can decide to sell it off. If your business idea is about producing females, but my business is about milk, a cow might be giving me only bulls, but yet it gives me a lot of milk. So I might need to keep it because on the other end, it is giving me a lot of what? A lot of milk. I can't sell it, but it is giving me bulls. So, but then I can sell the bulls to other farmers that cannot access artificial insemination. So it depends on what is the business idea and all.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much. That's our record. So now, according to what you've told us, the conventional method of artificial insemination or using a bull, it gives us 50-50. We cannot determine which sex we shall have. So my next question is about, like, is there a way a farmer can condition a cow to give birth to a specific sex? So if he wants heifers, he will condition the cow to give heifers, to give birth to heifers only.
Yes, there is a way, a surest way, a scientific way of using what we call sexed semen, which has about 95% of the sex you want. If you want males, you get semen that is sexed to only give you males, and if you want females, you get sexed semen that will only give you females. But there is still a percentage. But now, right now, the percentage is higher. 95% you are assured of the sex.
I'm a consultant. My name is Dr. Semambo DKN. I'm a veterinary doctor, senior veterinary doctor in the country, and I've been doing farm activities as a veterinarian and management practices and improvement of management practices for the last 25 years. Are not breaking. So this is one of the dairy farms where I'm engaged in. This farm is a dairy farm called Nabojo Dairy Farm. It's an old farm, but now it is being renovated or rehabilitated to make sure that it can produce its potential.
Doctor, what approach are you using in growing your herd?
As I mentioned, that this farm is an old farm, but for now and for the last about 10 years, the farm has been using artificial insemination, or AI. And with the AI, it is one technology that is used much better than just using a bull on any counterprise, whether it is beef or dairy. But this is a dairy farm. Now, the benefits of using artificial insemination have been in that you already know the genetic makeup potential of the pedigree of the semen, because that one is collected either from Ontario or imported into the country. So you already know the genetic potential of the father or the sire, which you're going to use on your farm. And that is what has been used on this farm for about 10 years.
When you use artificial insemination, what is the expectation of the sex of the calf.
Now, one of the methods which I actually now advocate for in the use of artificial insemination is the use of sexed semen. Now, sexed semen, as or compared to, I won't say as opposed to, or compared to the conventional semen, is semen that has been collected using equipment and with the capacity to separate the sperm which is able to produce males and the sperms which are able to produce the female calves. Now, if and when you'd like to produce a male, yes, you can use sex semen that has been selected just for that. And if, but that approach is only for centers which are going to produce bulls for semen collection worldwide. But if your aim is to increase the number of animals that are going to produce milk, which are the females, then you want to use semen which is going to make sure or give you confidence that you're going to produce a female animal or a female calf. So on this farm, I had discussed with the farmer because that methodology, which is highly computerized and it's a high level science, is quite an expensive technology. But however, in these last 3 or 4 years, the products have become cheaper. 5 years ago, sex semen to produce females used to cost about $100, $200. It was quite expensive. But now it's becoming cheaper. However, it is still cheap. It is still much more expensive than the conventional semen. Conventional semen can cost anywhere between, and also that depends on the pedigree of the pool, anywhere between 10,000 Uganda shillings, 20,000 Uganda shillings, or $3 or $4 or $5 to about $50 or $60 or $70 for very good quality semen. But the conventional semen can either, because it's not been separated, can 50% chance they produce a female calf and 50% chances that it produces a male calf. Now, but with sex semen, you're already sure that 95% you're going to either get a male or 95% you're going to get a female.
So which means 95% chance of giving birth to a female means that it's getting closer to 100%, which gives us a possibility of 1. And therefore, we can have a heifer, we can choose, we can decide to have a heifer. Thank you so much.